Today we're setting up a screened-in tent next to our garden so we can have a nice relaxing area to get out of the sun, rain, and even the mosquitoes. It has plenty of room to spread out and looks awesome. And this pop-up screen tent from Mars Explo comes shipped to your door, ready for you to set up a nice area as well. Inside the box, you have your pop-up tent, all packed up inside a nice travel bag. I carried it out to the area that I wanted to install and unzipped the bag. Take the strap off of your pop-up tent and then toss it up into the air, allowing it to expand. Spread out all the sides and the tent begins to take shape. Lift up the rods on the edges of the tent to raise the rain guards. And then it's time to install the bigger support rods. Unzip the tent and then bring the support rods inside to build the roof. Slide it into the pocket and then run it along the ceiling, velcroing the straps down along the way. Tuck the end into the other pocket, and then repeat those steps for the remaining support rods. Next, we're going to stake down the tent on all sides, and then tie it down to hold it in place. And like that, your pop-up tent is built and ready to go. I had room to put in a rug, a chair, picnic table, and more. It gives me plenty of room to relax and get out of the sun. And since it has screens on all sides, it has good airflow. It's also secure enough that I can bring my dogs in with me. We can hang out together, and I don't need to stress about them running away. But my favorite feature is at a certain time in the morning, the sun begins shining through the trees, and rays of light leak into the tent. Due to the screens, it diffuses the light and makes the direct sunlight really nice. It's the perfect time to meditate and plan out my day. It's quite breezy and feels nice there in the shade. It'd be a perfect place to eat dinner after grilling out, or even relax on a hot or rainy day. The tent is made out of a waterproof material. We left it out during a storm, and when we went in there the next day, the inside was actually dry. Too cool. Now a couple of notes. Since the tent has an octagon shape, it's not exactly 10 by 10. I tried putting in an outdoor carpet that was 7.5 by 9.5 feet, and I had to roll in the edges to fit it inside. Also, the roof is quite tall. I'm 6 foot and can reach to connect the support rods. But if I was any shorter, I'd have to use a step stool. So if you're looking for a nice pop-up tent to add to your area, this one from Mars Explo might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go relax in my new tent. See ya.